It is after 8 o'clock in the summer and we're still at Silver Dollar City.
So come with us.
Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So today we are at Silver Dollar City like we said before, except we're here late because they are doing their
Summer Celebration Festival
with the nighttime drones and the fireworks.
and a dance party.
And a dance party also. If you can hear that music in the background, it is the live band that's going on.
They are jamming.
So we're here to see it. It is the first night of it. So yeah, it's right back here in the plaza and we will see you when we get inside. All right, so we've made it inside the plaza and they have started the dance party and the Docksiders are the ones leading it all. As you can see on the stage right down there. It is kind of loud, so I apologize if this sounds like I'm yelling into this, but we will see you guys here in a little while when the drones start. But I'm also going to show you some clips of the dance party also. So see you guys in a minute. Some friends to watch the drone show with. We got Megan, you guys have seen her before, and then this is Brendan. He's the fill-in guy for Sir Willow. Yep, she has no Sir Willow on. How dare she? If you guys haven't followed Sir Willow, you guys probably need to, for sure. And you'll see these two often. So, all right, we'll see you when the drones start.
When the sun tucks behind the hills and the stars come out to play, that's when the true spirit of summer comes alive in the Ozarks. Maybe you're new around these parts, or maybe you've been coming so long the train robbers know your name. Either way, tonight's a memory in the making. So join us and grab a hold of the wonder of it all as the
screams out, screaming your name. Hope if everybody runs, you choose to stay.
What is it? Shark people! I love that! Will they, won't they? Talk about the sharks, remember? Who? Yeah.
Wow, what an incredible show that was.
I'm not gonna lie, in the middle of it, I was like, where's the fireworks? But at the very end, there they were. And it was amazing. I love the like Silver Dollar City like emblems and the ride emblems. My favorite though, Mystic River Falls. There was a little fin.
Yeah, I
going
think you're
through.
trying to tell us something. I think the sharks are real. They keep trying to hide them. I don't think so.
They let him out for this one night.
So, anyway, guys, we hope you enjoyed that drone show and fireworks show. And if you haven't, yes, if you haven't been to see it yet, it is so much better in person. I know we're out of breath right now, but we just like made a mad dash for a couple night rides on some coasters and up the hill. So, but anyway, that being said, if you want to keep up with more of our Silver Dollar City videos or any more of our theme park videos, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
notification button,
so you guys don't miss out on any more of our adventures. And with that,
bring on the next adventure.
bye, guys.